Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is your market update for Tuesday, August 30th. Hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. So before the stock market opened today, futures had indicated that the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ were all slated to open positive, not significantly positive, but nonetheless, it would have been a good turn of events after the last 2 days of poor performance, especially taking into account Friday when the Dow got hammered. Down over 1,000 points on Friday alone. Unfortunately, the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 have since turned negative. All are in the red, and it looks like we're pretty much headed for the third day of losses in the stock market. Initially this morning, mortgage-backed securities opened up slightly positive, but had since turned negative as well. At one point in time, the mortgage-backed securities were down over 25 basis points, have since then clawed back and gained some of their losses, currently down only 13 basis points last I checked. So not any significant movement in the mortgage bond market today, but again, stock market continues to sell off just on renewed fears as a result of the Federal Reserve comments from Jerome Powell that came out last week after their symposium, pretty much indicating that they're committed to fighting inflation regardless of the impact that it has on the economy, jobs, etc. So hopefully they're right in their assessment and direction moving forward. I think ultimately the fear is that the economy ultimately wants the Federal Reserve to bring inflation numbers down and bring us into what's called a soft landing, which means fighting inflation and bringing it down to a reasonable level without having a significantly adverse impact on the economy. Now the market's kind of fearing that the Fed and their actions moving forward are going to bring us into more of a hard landing, which basically means that in their fight on inflation being more aggressive, that the economy, will suffer a bit more, and that the chances for a more significant recession are more likely. With the news and the comments, there's a lot of information that's yet to come out moving forward that the Fed will digest before their September meeting, and they'll take that information into account before they make any interest rate decisions moving forward on hikes. But at the current time, I would say, based upon Fed comments and the information that's come out recently, I would bet that they are going to increase the Fed funds rate by another 75 basis points. But again, lots of information and news will come out between now and the time of the next meeting. So we'll wait and see what happens. We'll continue to keep you updated. I hope everybody has a great day. See you tomorrow.